Hi, I had a request. They asked, how do you play that old-time, far-away sounding Delta blues? Well, of course, I'm not exactly sure what they meant, but that's kind of the thing that came into my mind. And it's very easy to do. You don't need much to do it. I'm tuned to open G, GDG. There's no frets. This is a fretless cigar box guitar, just there. You don't. I did put a volume knob on it, but it's not necessary. You can go into the amp and just use the amp there. That's good. Some people consider that a much better tone, actually. And I got an old Strat pickup here. And I think the secret to the sound is not to play fast and to use tremolo. Hear that sort of wavering sound? Tremolo was one of the first effects that was available to the steel guitars, lap steel guitars and stuff like that back in the day. So it is reminiscent of back in the 30s and 40s. And the other thing is the reverb. That's also one of the earliest effects. So if you're kind of going for this sound, reverb and tremolo are the way to go. And you don't want to play anything too fast. You want to go as slow as you can. So I'll take you through what I just did and give you a tab for that. But seriously, you can change it and do whatever you want. As long as you get that sound, it'll sound really good. And of course, if you're in tune with your slide, that's kind of important. So that's 03530. Going to do the same lick again, but I'm going to vary it by going up to 7. 730. Do the same lick again. Then to the middle string, 035, and then 3 on the middle string, slide to open, and then low string, slide to open from 3. That's the basic lick. Then you can easily fancy it up by adding in the chord. Just by adding in the chord. Also the lick, when you're playing it the third time around, you can vary it by going like 3 in the middle to this note. So you're not exactly repeating the same thing. This note here over the 5th fret on the middle string is the same as the high string. So that would be you just fit in the rest of the chord whenever you feel like it. So there'll be a tab posted at the end, plus a tab in the video, and if you'd like a copy of the tab, you can email me and I'll send it to you for free. Yes, I do have a tab book with a ridiculous number of tabs, and I'm adding to it all the time, and you're welcome to get that. If you do, I just keep sending updates. Probably annoys a lot of people, I don't know. But I do get thank you a lot, actually, so I guess it's a good thing. So I just have, as I get more tabs, I just add them to the pile. That company there, Fourth Wall, allows me to do that at no cost, so you guys get more and more tabs for free. But if you just want one, I send them out. I'll only send them like one at a time. So if you want all 500 or whatever I'm up to now, you'd have to email me 500 times. So, but if you just want one, or you're just getting started and want a couple or whatever, just email me and you get them free of charge, no problem. Have a great day. I hope that's what you were looking for. Bye.